Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the size of your app icons on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the size of app icons to make them bigger or smaller is easy. To do it, start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Home Screen. In Home Screen Settings, select Icon Size. You can now drag the slider left to make app icons smaller, or drag to the right to make them bigger. By having smaller icons, you will be able to fit more apps on the same page of the home screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.